Yo, go sell. I just did. And out. All right, let me look at what TP is. First TP was already hit. 38.98. Oh, I wish I could have caught it earlier. Well, I'm seeing what it's doing right now. I think it's gonna keep pushing. Just because it already had dropped a lot before we got in. 'Cause I was looking at the hour, but when I look at the 15, that bitch was at 39,240. It was at the top. It's coming. If you want to get out at 38.96, that's a good one too. But I'll let you know once I get out for sure, regardless. Damn, I wish I could have caught this earlier. How much you up, Movie Bo? It's pulling back. I mean, look at something. And do. Now from the swing low, it did hit the 50%. Yeah. And it did hit the 61. That's why I said we didn't have the best entry because we got in late. So I'm gonna get out, see if I can get a better entry. Yeah, I want a better entry. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Let's see what it give us. Because 9 o'clock about to happen. So let's see what it give us in the next 5 minutes. This should be melting so fast. Mhm. And your oil moving up. I'm hoping that 9 is just dumps. $2 minutes until about the 9 o'clock. I'm on the 5. We looking at the 1. Yeah, that 1 minute like it wants to retrace up. And when you see it, you realize your entry not as good as it look, as you think it is. That's what I was saying. Because when you look at the hour, it look good. When you look at that 1 minute, that 5 minute, you like, oh, my entry not that great. And it's hitting, and it's bouncing off the 61.8. You do. I'm out of there. Yeah, because it's trading above 38.99, which I would want it to break near that level. It's about to be 9 o'clock in a little bit. It look like it's coming down, so we'll see. Either way, I'm out. Let's see what we get. There we go. Come on. Push. There we go. That's what we wanted. There we go. Fall. Oh, it tapped that though. So be careful. Yep, I got out. Yep. It tapped it decent. I made 406. I was up 700. Yeah. When it hit the bottom and it 700, it might come down still though, but I told you right there it needs to trade into that 899 and it didn't really break it. See if I can get a re-entry. I'll take my profits for now. I mean, I couldn't take partials. I only have one contract. I should have did three. It's popping down though. Quick little 400. You still in it? It looks like it's about to hit. It needs to break this level. There you go. Come on, break. You gotta be up like 100 now. There you go. It's struggling, but it is still trading below right there, so it might just fall, but it might fall like in a few minutes. But think about it, our entry was like right around 39.06. There you go. That was a decent setup. Yeah, I told you I did. That's what I'm getting out. What's up, man? 400. Really good about defense. So if I don't like history, I would fail. But that is go way up real quick or go really down. It's dropping. There you go. Some right eating. I've been getting good with my entries, so I didn't like that entry when half the move was already gone, personally. So I would rather just scalp it. If I would have got it up here, I would have felt way better. So I took profit. I was safe. Yeah, look at the bigger time frame. Um, that was a double top at the top. I ain't gonna hold you. This shit might continue selling. Hold on. I got all this shit in big time frames, so all right, y'all. I'm done with this trade. Now I'll tell you why I took it. Took it double top here, equal highs, swap liquidity up here. Let's use this. Swap liquidity. Swap liquidity. Boom. Immediately rejected. Yeah, it's selling to the bottom. I'll say 38, 8, 38, 87, 87. I like that. Yeah, that bitch. I was just about thinking about getting back in, but it took off from me again. I think we got it somewhere around here. I didn't like that. I don't like getting it that right there. All right. So I didn't like my entry personally. I like to get it somewhere up in here. Okay. Even if it wasn't on this candle, it was on this candle. But you can see it closed here, immediately went up and then came down. So that's why I took the trade. Sellers up in here in this area. Sellers are also up in here. So I think we can go as far as 38.87. The even within between is 38.81 and it's 38.77. If it break this, it can come down here. Um, I don't know if it would do that anything like that today, but yeah. So yeah, I would say mm, so that's what I would do with my TPE if I was to get in right now. I'm good. I made $400 on one contract with gold, so not really tripping. Ooh. Did you get back in? Yeah. Oh. Nah, I'm not in there. So that's why. Then on this 15 minute, check that out. Check this out in 15. Project right off the 786. Swing high to this, swing low. So that's why I also say this. So it just really depends on, but it could definitely keep on a higher time frame. It definitely can come down here and here because of that reason. It's just doing some regular candle stuff, retracing into the candle, and buyers are up in here. If you look to the left, up in here. So that's why you see resistance in these zones. So just keep that in mind. Keep it very simple. Okay. Um, all right. But I'm gonna let you guys go. It's already been like a long enough video. I'm getting Profit Playground. Check out my list, check out my shorts, check out my YouTube videos, like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up on Twitter on Real Wealth, Instagram Real Wealth, and TikTok Real Wealth 25. All right.